everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be oh, gargajos in my mouth. Dollar Tree haul. I went to look for, like always, I went to look for something specific and came out with a lot of things. Yeah, remember to click subscribe if you haven't done so, and if you already did, thank you very much. Stay tuned to the surprise. Well, there's no surprise. Hey, stay tuned to all the items that I have found in the Dollar Tree. I was very surprised that the Dollar Tree was very organized. This Dollar Tree that I went, I don't usually go very often, but because I forget about it. But they surprisingly were nicely organized. It's not nicely stocked on. Not the seasonal ones now, but on the other things that were more important to be, they were very nicely stocked. Bravo. Find things that I hadn't seen before, so that's a bravo for me. Okay. Okay, where should I first start with? This bag. Let's start with this bag first. You know what? Let's start with this bag first, so I can tell you what I went to look for. I went to look for little clips, a little hook for my pop-up shop that I'm going to be having this Saturday. I have a few things that I didn't have on my other pop-up shop, so I needed 3 things from there. The rest of them I didn't. I only need 3. So I'm going to show you what I got from there. I got these 2, they're 2, but they're 2 in a pack of the essential non-slip swivel head hangers. They're like the fuzzy ones. There's 2 in a pack. They're very sturdy. I need it for that I'm going to be selling my mom's these, what do you call this, these little ponchos. They're knitted. So I think this one, since they're very wide, it'll actually showcase the entire capacity of the little poncho or the little cape, however you call these. They're really big. So I got those for that. Then I also saw these, which they had in another little kind of style. And they also had the peach color, like orangey one. But I only got 2. They were only... For some weird reason, there was only 1 blue one. There was only 1 turquoise. And for the peach, there were more. But I didn't like the peach as much. So I got 2 of these. And now these are called belt hangers for your belts. But I wanted for something else to hang here. Some bags that my mom also knitted or crocheted. And then I'm going to hang them here. And then this could be useful for later on. Whenever I don't have those, I can have something else, right? That's for the pop-up shop. And as well as these, I hadn't seen these. They're like tent boxes. They look like that from one side and then the other one. There were other ones that only had like the little slit. And then this one's with the star. I got this ones because I'm going to put here either my business card or some other little things that I want to sell. I got it for that. Also for that, I think I had 1 more of these. I have things because I have flower things. I got this card stands. Now look, this is how it looks. Like to put your name. Card stands. Now I'm going to use it as a card stand for my name and also for prices. I can leave that white thing and then write with a dry erase marker the price of the thing, or literally just like stick a little piece of paper with the price of the items, like the piggy banks, because I have 3 different kinds of piggy banks, the Frida piggy banks, the regular piggy banks, and the other piggy banks. So I can put this one. I did got 2 of them. They do have 3 in a pack. This is for the teacher tree. I did not find it in the teacher area or the teaching area. I did find it on the toy area for some weird reason. I don't know what they thought this was, but it was over there. So yeah. Then, is that the only cool thing? Okay, here's the other one. Look at that. There. These were the things that not specifically this, but for something like this. This one and the hangers and something to put my prices. And the other thing that I specifically went for were, let me take them out of this bag because they're on the same area. These. Now these over the door hooks, and that's how they're supposed to go. Look at, they're to hang. Now these I got them for the same poncho things, so I can hang the things like this. You see, it does have 2 hooks so I can steadily hold on to something, but I have 3 of them so I can put 2 on one side and then the other one. That's what I got, these 2. They also had them in gold, like kind of, this is copper, but really bright gold, and I didn't like that one. I got this one. I got these for that same purpose. These were the exact items that I was looking for. The hangers, these hooks, and then these are different, a different kind of display, but I like this one better. So yeah, those were for my pop-up shop, and these were handy. I found them, and then these were also handy. All that for the pop-up shop. I also got that I use for my what do you call this? My side job or my small business things. I also do baby photography or family photography, and I do have a backdrop, and my little clips are dying on me. And then I found these. These were the only ones that they had. They usually have this like every other, like always, but you can't always find them. These are called the jumbo plastic clothespins, and I like because they're pretty big, and the bar that I use for my backdrop is very thick, like about this. So I got those. There's 6 of them, 3 and 3, blue and 3 white. So there's that, small business things. And then the white string tags, I got 30. I ran out of them, so I made my own. But these ones I use for my mom crocheted items or crochet dolls that like she does. Look she did this one for me. This is Anne from Netflix. Anne with an A or with an E, I can remember. Look she's so cute. She does this. Oh, look there's the thing. And there's my Nena Creations. That's how I use these. I put my sticker there. I originally was going to sell it, but then my birthday came, and then I really love that one, and she just gave it to me. Yes, so there's that with the tags. And then I got this tugboard 4-piece tag clothespins. Now these ones are like a little, it has like a little pin, but it has this, and then I can right here. This one I got it for those things that I'm going to be hanging. And the bags that she crocheted, I can stick it to the pin here, and then they'll know the price, and they don't have to be asking me, or if they're like shy to ask me, they can just see the price, you know. Oh look, and then I have these ones with nylon cable ties. They have this tiny little ones, and then these red ones. These are very handy for anything really. For when you're doing the pop-up shop, you can tie your tablecloth, your signs, your little banners. These are very handy to have, and if you bring a scissor, you can just cut it, and it's all good. Yeah, I think that is all the items that I have to show you for like pop-up. Oh, and then this one's. Okay, the next things are these. Now, I do have other bags that I actually had from other things, and I do include these, but these are a little bit smaller. They do have 3 in a pack. Look, 3 in a pack, and they have them in several colors. I wanted the cardboard one, but they didn't have it. They have it in white and then any other colors, but I thought this one was a little bit more settled. This is how big they are. If you don't find like a bigger one, like plastic thing, it's pretty nice, and it gets control, and it looks pretty, and you could just put your sticker of your small business, and it's nice. So I got 3, 6, 9, 12 of them, and that's how they look. If you grab the white ones, you can just draw your name in it, and it's all good in the hood. Yeah, I think I'm gonna separate this and then leave this video as it is and name it small business or pop-up shop Dollar Tree items that you can find, that you can use in your pop-up event or craft fair, however you want to call it. I spit. Yeah, that is all for today's video. Hope you like this idea. Comment down below which one you already use for your small business, and subscribe if you haven't done so. And if you already did, thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.